Stage 1 of cloning a hard drive almost complete. Yes, that's right. You have to always make sure that the operating system is fixed and operational before you clone it. Right, let's get scan booster or driver booster going. Get the PowerShell going. Get the system file checker going. Get the defragger going. What else am I missing? Oh, yes, and this. Get this going. Like I said, got to make sure everything is almost as perfect as possible before you clone it. Got one old hard drive. It and the new hard drive or the new SSD to the computer. Me to make the partition changes and cloning the hard drive. Connect new drive for testing. It's not an uncommon error. Boot from a USB flash drive that has the Windows 10 operating system on it. And there it is booting up. Yay, now I can physically put it back together. System file checker again just to make sure there are no corrupted Windows files. We run all of the software again just to make sure nothing has changed since the hard drive has been changed and it's been completely mounted. So, yep, now we're doing the final steps. Updater reports everything is up to date. Defrag reports everything is okay with the hard drive and everything is optimized. The updates are finally installing. That's a good thing. So I'm going to call it done. Let it run its through, and then when it's all done, reboot it, uninstall all of my software, and this will be ready to return to the client.